So today I am going to solve some of the questions related to permutation and combination, and these are related to basic principle of counting, that is addition and multiplication principle. And when you know all the works has to be done or completed simultaneously, then what we do, we multiply all the different possible ways. And if options are possible, or choices are possible, or mutually exclusive events are ways are given, in that case what we do, we add all of the given options. So this is the basic principle of counting. These are called fundamental principle of counting, and that is called addition and multiplication principle. Okay. Now we have some of the question. First question is, as you see here, written, a coin is tossed four times, and then you are asked find the total number of possible outcome. It may ask in the polity chapter also, that is what would be total number of simple space. You can say it is also equals to total number of simple space, ns. This is ns. Okay. So as you know, when you toss a coin, you have always two options, either head or tail. So suppose you have tossed it four times, so you can solve the question by filling four boxes, and for each boxes you have two choices available, either head or tail. So every box can be filled in two ways. So you will have total 16 ways as you multiply all the methods. So you will get 2 power 4, that is 16. So it is also total number of possible simple space, total number of outcome in a simple space on tossing 4 points. So this was your first question. Now second question, find the total number of which means three object out of nine object can be placed in a row. So you have nine different object. You have nine different object, and out of which what you have to do, you have to select three object. As you see, you have to select three out of nine objects. So uh, what we'll do, we will convert this question into filling three boxes by using nine different objects. So obviously here repetition would be not allowed, because uh, if nothing said, then in that case repetition would be not allowed. So uh, the first box can be filled in nine ways, second would be filled in 8 ways, and third would be filled in 7 ways. So you will multiply all the different method and you will get the required answer. Now third one, total number of five-letter word that can be formed using the letter of word maths, as you see here. So first one is RA, that is repetition is allowed, and here repetition is not allowed. So when repetition is allowed, we have to fill five boxes using all the letters of word maths, and as you see there are five possible letter MATHS, all are different. So uh, every box can be filled in five different ways. So you will have total 5 to the power 5 ways, that is 1325. And when repetition not allowed, in that case first box would be filled into five ways, second one is four, third three, three, two, and one. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and as you know, this is also factorial notation. When you multiply all of these, you will get factorial 5 number. So this would be your factorial 5, that is 120, as you know earlier. So when iteration would not allowed, in that case you will have 120 ways, and when iteration is allowed, in that case 3125 words would be for getting. Okay. Now next question is, let an objective paper have 20 question. How many questions are there? 20 questions are there, and they are all of MCQ type. Then he is asking find total number of possible sequences, that is answering question. So if exactly one option is correct out of four choices, that is, here your question is SCQ. You can say this is your SCQ. What is that? Uh, that is, you can say single correct answer. So only one option out of four option would be correct. So as you know, every question can be answered in four different ways, since every question has what? Four options. Every question can be answered into four different ways. So total number of way of answering the question would be 4 into 4 into 4, and since 20 questions are there, so it would be for 20 times. So it is nothing but 4 to the power 20, which can be rewritten as 2 to the power 40. So this is the required answer. And in second case, he is saying to you that more than one option is correct. In that case, for a single answer to be attempted, you will have 15 ways. How it is? You can see whenever you take a options, you have two choices. Either you attempt, that is, either you mark it or not mark, that is not attempted. So when you mark at options or not mark at option, you always have two options, two choices. So for every options you have two choices. So two choices, two choices, two choices. That is 2 to the power 4 choices are there. But there would be one way where you will have filled all the boxes by not attempting. So in that case, no option is ticked. But since you have to answer the question, so at least you have to tick or mark at least any one of the boxes, so it would be subtracted when no options is selected. So in that case you would have 2 to the power 4 minus 1 when no option is attempted, that would be ruled out. So you will left with only 2 to the power 4, that is 16 minus 1, that is 15 ways. So when MCQ are there, you can easily realize that you would have how many 15 ways are possible. You can also see that how it is 15. Like you can uh, see here clearly. Suppose you have given option A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and you have given that you can mark any number of options. So if you mark only options, then A, B, C, D are there. You mark two options, then A, B, B, C, A, C, A, D, C, D, and what is that? AD is there. VD, it is VD. So VD is there. When you mark three options, then ABC, ABD, ABD, AB, ACD, ACD, and BCD. BCD. And when you mark all the options, then A, B, C, D. So as you see here, four ways. Here, four ways are possible. Four method. Here six ways are possible. Here again four ways, and here one way. One way possible. So total number of way would be, you can clearly see, 4 plus what? 6 plus 4 plus 1. That is what? 10, 4, 14 plus 1, 15 ways. So to answer a single question, how many way are possible? To answer a single question, you can clearly see there are 15 ways are possible. Okay, so you can answer any single question by 15 ways. So for one question, you have 2 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 15 choices are available. 14 in 15 ways you can answer a single question. Now you have to answer 20 questions. So for 20 questions, for each question you have 15 choices. So 15 into 15 into 15, how many times? 20 times. So it would be 15 to the power 20, and this is your required answer. So when single correct are there, in that case you would have 2 to the power 14 way, and when multiple correct questions are there, so you can answer a single question in 15 to the power 20 way. Okay, thank you.